Why single light photocell control is the global standard. 1. Higher system reliability. No single point of failure. Centralized control depends on a single device. If it fails, the entire street goes dark. In contrast, distributed photocells allow each light to work independently, reducing risk and enhancing safety. To lower long-term maintenance costs, troubleshooting a central system requires tracing circuits, sending technicians, and sometimes digging up cables. With single light photocells, you replace only the failed controller, saving time and money year after year. Plug-and-play deployment. LongJoin's ANSI-compliant JL207 and JL243 series twist-lock photocells are compatible with standard NEMA sockets, making deployment fast and easy with no rewiring or cabinet installation required. For easy smart upgrade path. Need to upgrade to smart control with single light architecture? Just swap in a Zigbee, LoRa, or NB-IoT enabled unit. No infrastructure changes needed. Perfect for smart city rollout. In North America, over 80% of streetlights now use individual photocontrols, driven by better operational efficiency and future-proofing. The hidden costs of centralized controls. Centralized control might save a few dollars at purchase, but here's what it costs you later. Extensive wiring and labor during installation. High risk of widespread outage from one failure. Inflexible architecture that limits smart upgrade. Expensive maintenance for every minor fault. These hidden costs quickly outweigh the upfront savings in just a few years. LongJoin Electronics, your partner in smarter lighting with over 20 years of experience in Photocontrol manufacturing. Shanghai LongJoin Electronics delivers a complete range of individual light controllers at thermal, electronic, and smart types. Global certifications: WALL, ISO, ANSI C136.10, C136, 41 compliant. Top-tier clients: Philips, Cree, Torque, Southwire, and more. Advanced functions: LED decay compensation, remote dimming, 010V control, etc. EMODM support, custom branding, housing, specs, and protocol integration. The true cost isn't the purchase price, it's the lifetime value. Most cost-effective solution isn't the one that's cheapest on day one, it's the one that reduces downtime, lowers labor costs, and keeps your system ready for the future. With single light photocontrols, you get performance, flexibility, and long-term savings.